I am ready.
Turn right into the smell. Said you gotta use the ailerons to turn this way,
Okay.
which will be fine.
That'll be interesting.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yep.
It's the first takeoff attempt on the ground. Here we go.
Whoa!
Fudge!
It's not screwed in, that's probably why it fell off.
What, the gears?
Yeah. And it probably didn't help that it went over a bump.
Yeah.
Maybe we should, yeah, there's a lot of bumps here, so. Yeah, just try down here. It looks like it needs a little trim adjustment. Oh, rudder issue.
It just popped out. Like I pushed it in and it'll come right out.
Needs re-wheeling. It's like being pushed out. That's weird. What the heck?
Yeah, see, so I'll have to use the aileron.
Yeah.
Second attempt.
Ooh.
Fuck this
Oh.
plane, it sucks ass. Seriously.
They're not screwed in. That's why we're having issues.
What?
The gear aren't screwed in like it says to.